Court calls the case People versus Natasha Olmos.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Ms. Olmos in the case ending in 1426, which is set for pretrial and expecting appointment on the other matter.
Ms. Olmos?
Hi, Natasha Olmos. I'm here.
Okay, there you are. Gotcha. Okay. Almost, I'll start with the case ending in 250092. You're here for arraignment. And it's a 2-count complaint. Actually, a 3-count complaint. The complaint alleges that on or about October 5th, 2024, location of Gulfside Road and Washtenaw Avenue, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you operated a motor vehicle while intoxicated with occupants less than 16.
Correct.
Do you understand the nature of that charge, ma'am?
If you could explain it to me a little bit more, I'd appreciate that.
All right. What that charge indicates is that you did operate a motor vehicle upon Gulfside and Washtenaw Avenue, and that Camilla Penley and or is it Julia's almost, that they were persons less than 16 years of age were occupying the vehicle at the time that you were driving that vehicle while intoxicated. Does that make sense to you?
It does make sense. The only thing is only
Hey,
my
hold
daughter.
on, ma'am.
Say anything about the case.
Ma'am,
Oh, I'm
I'm
sorry.
not here to ask whether or not you did it.
Okay.
I don't need to know your position necessarily on the charges.
Okay.
What I'm indicating, what I'm asking you is, do you understand what you are charged with?
Yes. Yes.
All right. That is a misdemeanor punishable by a fine between $200 to $1,000, not more than 1 year in jail, 30 to 90 days community service, or both. You could also be ordered to pay the costs of the prosecution, could be ordered to any rehabilitative programs, and could be required to reimburse for any emergency governmental services and or expenses, including your prosecution in this case. Your vehicle is also subject to forfeiture and or immobilization. You understand that those are the maximum penalties, ma'am?
Yes.
Count 2 alleges the offense of child abuse in the 4th degree, alleging that you did knowingly and intentionally commit the following acts, which is driving while intoxicated with a minor child in the motor vehicle. And that those posed an unreasonable risk of harm or physical injury to the child. Do you understand what you're charged with in regard to child abuse 4th degree?
Yes.
That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year or probation up to 5 years. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes.
Count 3 is the same charge of child abuse in the 4th degree, which you said you understood. You understand that?
Yes.
That's also, as I've indicated, a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year or probation up to 5 years. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
First question I have for you is, do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
This is a public defender case.
Yes.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Ms. Olmos, I would waive any further reading, stand mute, ask for a PR bond as well as an adjourned pretrial date. And not to speak too soon, Your Honor, but I would ask for the April 2nd date for both cases, if Your Honor would allow.
Got it. Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, the court will enter a not guilty plea. Alleged BAC and
Your Honor, in this matter, the alleged BAC was 0.186. The PBT on scene was 0.237, notably. The lab results also indicated presence of THC 3.3 nanograms.
got it.
We are asking for a scram tether. And
Yes, ma'am. All right. Set the defendant's bond at a $10,000. Oh no, I'm sorry, a $20,000 personal recognizance bond. I will order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior and no possession of any weapons. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
There's also to be no possession of any or consumption of any alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. You understand that?
Yes.
I'm also going to order that you are to report to the Department of Community Corrections for placement on a scram tether. You are to do that within 24 hours. I will be signing the order momentarily for you to report there. You understand that?
What is a scram tether?
It's a tether that will monitor whether or not you are using any alcohol at any given point in time.
Okay.
I'm also going to order as part of that, you'll be on a scram tether. And then because of the THC in your system, you have a medical marijuana card.
I do not.
I'm also going to order urine tests be performed 1 time per week. So I've signed that order,
Okay.
right? I will adjourn both of these matters to April 2nd, 2025, 9 a.m.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.